On-screen text. How to remove banners from your Instagram profile. Narrator. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to clean up your Instagram profile by removing those distracting banners. Narrator. Banners can appear for things like notes, add yours prompts, or feature announcements that sit across the top of your profile. Narrator. You can't remove every banner permanently, but you can hide or dismiss most of them directly from the Instagram app. Narrator. Let's walk through the steps using simple on-screen navigation so you know exactly what to tap. On-screen label. Step 1. Open your profile. Narrator. First, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Narrator. Once your profile loads, look at the very top of the screen for any horizontal banners or bars above your posts. On-screen label. Step 2. Dismiss active banners. Narrator. For most temporary banners, tap the small X or menu on the banner's corner to dismiss it. Narrator. If you see a banner for new features, tap it once, then look for a Not Now or maybe Later option to stop it from staying on your profile. On-screen label. Step 3. Check notes and status. Narrator. If a notes or status banner is showing, open your messages or notes area and clear any active status you've set. Narrator. Some promotional or safety banners may reappear occasionally. When they show up, dismiss them the same way. Tap the close icon or the menu and choose to hide. On-screen label. Step 4. Refresh your profile. Narrator. Pull down to refresh your profile and double-check that the banners are gone or minimized. Narrator. That's it. With a few taps, you've removed cluttering banners and given your Instagram profile a cleaner, more professional look. On-screen text. Clean profile. Clear first impression.